So she flew really good. I'm gonna walk back over here because this grass is a little shorter. And she really, as you can tell, I've done multiple repairs, but I'm getting it down. I'm going to print another one of these 40 millimeters now that I've kind of figured her out. I'm not going to lie to you, she's a learning curve. Of course, I'm not a big RC guy anyway. I mean, I fly paramotors, but having said that, I'm learning. And oh, I think that battery, I think I hit my timer reset in the middle of that flight, so it's probably a good thing I brought her in. And this battery is a little bit smaller than the other one, but I think they both will go, the way I fly them, I think they'll both go 4 minutes or more. I'm just checking my center of gravity here. Make sure I got it pretty close up. Move back to where What's going on here? You want to stick in there? Yeah, I think that'll be okay. Just a little bit. I'm not going to be doing anything dramatic. That feels pretty good. Safe mode. And we're going to go for another fly. Guess this thing's recording. Yes, it is. Okay, so I got my NX7. I really like this guy. Pretty simple. And boy, gotta be careful because I almost stalled her there. I was really upping. Okay, so I'm flying her in safe mode with some I don't know if you saw that, but I really was pulling up on the sticks there when I was, and I almost stalled her taking off. Well, that's what I'm learning. I'm learning, you know, because I think she flies really good. I mean, I've got other little RC planes that, you know, I say she's like flying a piece of plywood, you know. But, you know, I'm no expert at this. I just... and I got to keep my eye on her, because I tell you, I take my eye off for a minute to look at my controller, and I lose her in the sky. And as soon as I get it all figured out, I'm going to paint her black. I'm going to paint her flat black, because I think that would contrast. And of course the Batwing's black anyway, right? Yeehaw! Where is she really? Just really, I mean, stable. I don't take her out of safe mode much. I'm not an experienced flyer. Every time I do, I either crash her or nearly crash her. I gotta grab my safe button. So I've got a little breeze coming in. Maybe the horses don't mind her anymore. I got my trims pretty good. She's still holding that way just a little bit, like she's trying to fly. There we go. Of course, the breeze is probably shifting it a little bit too. I think she's pretty cool looking. Yeah, she's flying pretty straight. I try to roll with her, I'm just not that gutsy yet. But I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I've got it in safe on, I've got 3 levels of trim on her. I mean, whatever rates, I guess you call it. And see, sometimes her silhouette just disappears. I just freaks me out. I'm like, which way is she going? Doesn't help. I got these. I got a GoPro. I got my ball cap on with my GoPro. It sits on the top, but it's got sunglasses attached to it. And said I can take them off if I want to. But I don't know. Oh, there's my 1 minute mark. I'm pretty sure. I tell you, I gotta figure out this display so I can see it. Okay, it's really bitching at me now. So we'll put her down as safe. Let's see how much time we have left. 3 seconds. So that was pretty good. And she went the whole 4 minutes with the smaller battery. So I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy with that. Well, I just think this is the coolest little guy. I really do. Yeah, he's been a lot of fun. Find this canopy's my own. His canopies are just, you know, blank ones, which I don't know, maybe there's a copyright thing. I don't know. And then I did add this little skidder, I call it, and it gives me a place to put my finger on. And I kind of took that off one of his other prints. I didn't copy it, I made my own, but I mean, it was. And then I did make the top piece removable so I can get to oh, the battery's warm. Yeah. And there we go. My little Batwing. Version 2, 40 millimeter. And I just love it. It's been repaired I don't know how many times. And it has a different nose. This is all lightweight PLA, and then this is regular PLA. But I just like it. It weights it out. And she weighs, let's see, final weight now with battery. The big battery is 1,068 grams. Well, looks like I need to put a little something there. I might need to spray foam that. But this plane has been my tester, and she's been doing pretty good. I'm seriously considering printing them lightweight PLA with a PLA nose, and then spray foaming them, because it doesn't add hardly any weight, but it adds a lot of strength. Because this is all spray foam, this is all spray foam, this is all spray foam, that's all spray foam, this is all spray foam, that's all spray foam inside. And so, and I think I did the belly too, but I didn't do that over there. And I might be doing that. But it really adds some strength to it, and it doesn't add much weight. But other than that, I'm quite happy with her.